I'm going to teach you how to take the perfect Instagram photo every single time. So I'm going to dive right into this video with a lot of different tips and tricks on how to improve your phone photos, different ways to adjust lighting, how to ask strangers to take pictures for you, and simple ways to edit your photos on your phone. Hopefully after this video, you'll become a pro at taking Instagram photos. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the little red button here or down below. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Tip number one is to tell your photographer exactly what you want in the photo. So just take a practice shot. We're gonna go inside to Le Marais today here in Castro and show you guys how to do a brunch picture. If you're hoping to train your friend or significant other to become your Instagram boyfriend or girlfriend, literally set up the shot for your friend, have your friend sit in the place where you want them to be, and then take the photo for them and then show them like, hey, this is exactly what I want. Are you ready to eat yet? Nope. No food for you. Right. Poses is to like play with my hair or to hold my coffee cup. It's really good to keep your hands busy so it doesn't look awkward or unnatural. Look at the photos of your favorite Instagrammers and try to just mimic what they're doing. And if you haven't had the chance to check out my how to pose video, go be sure to watch that. I'll have it linked here or down below. I have 12 different poses for you, perfect for brunch or any occasion. Don't be afraid to direct them. Tell them to like lower the camera a bit if you want to look taller. Be sure to ask them to angle the camera because it tends to give a more dynamic look to a photo than just something straight on. Currently on 18th and Castro, trying to take a picture on this rainbow sidewalk, and it's quite busy as you can see from all the people walking behind me, but I feel confident that we could take a great photo here. The sun is coming out, it's a beautiful day, so let's go. Show you different hacks on how to correct the lighting on your phone. So you can easily lock the exposure by dragging it up on your phone and then double tapping it twice to lock the exposure. My next tip to taking great Instagram photos is to buy a prop like flowers. Fresh flowers definitely transforms a photo. It makes it a lot more lively. Lately I've been really loving sunflowers, so let's see if I can find some cute ones at this shop right here. Flowers makes Monday so much better. We currently made it to Hayes Valley and we found this really beautiful flower bush behind us, some fresh yellow bougainvillea. My next tip is to match your outfit with the background. So today I'm wearing this little fun yellow skirt. I think it's very visually pleasing when you see similar colors in terms of what you're wearing with the background. Don't forget to style yourself, you know, add in a little tuck to your t-shirt. Don't just leave it loose and hanging. Add accessories like jewelry, bracelets. Make sure to take 2 versions of each picture. One version with me in it and one without. So there are these really beautiful flowers behind me and I want to do a really cool levitating kind of floating shot. So by taking a picture of just the flowers, I can easily Photoshop this in, move them around, shift it around. When it comes to taking the perfect landscape shot, it's so important to use your iPhone and turn on the grid. It helps you kind of divide out the image and it gives you a visual guideline of where to put your subject in the photo. So this also helps, and turning on HDR definitely defines details. So you want to be able to capture all of the cool buildings and sculptures behind you, so HDR is a great tool. And last but not least, don't forget to put on your super extra gown, long dress. I scored this one for like 18 bucks. I just love wearing like crazy, unexpected gowns in front of beautiful landscapes like this. You guys asked me what are some of my favorite coloring techniques. Well, during summertime I love doing more warmer photos with more of a vintage effect, and then during the winter time usually photos look a little bit more cooler toned, more blues and whites and more monochromatic. When I'm taking pictures for Instagram, I like to use 3 different cameras. The first one is my iPhone. So this is an iPhone 6s. My second camera is my Sony RX100. You could definitely see a more crisper, high dynamic range. So I love this for like traveling, on the go. It's super lightweight, compact, fits in the palm of my hand. I also love shooting with my Canon 5D Mark IV. Actually shooting with it right now, but I just wanted to show you a DSLR. It's not as great for on the go because it's super heavy, but honestly the quality is amazing and you could definitely tell the difference when I'm shooting with it. I'll show you an example of these 3 different cameras side by side so you can see the difference. To the end of this video. If you guys have an Instagram, be sure to share your profiles down below. I wanted to start a new segment here on my YouTube channel called #Allie's Corner. So every single week I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite pictures from Instagram, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye! If you are not good at posing in pictures and you're kind of awkward and you often do the chicken wing, so the next tip is to match your outfit with the background. Hope I'm not being super cheesy wearing my Instagram t-shirt.
Oh, I can do it, correct.
One of my most frequently asked questions is, Allie, how do you edit your photos? What apps do you use? I love Lightroom. I also love ColorStory. It's a great, like, colorful brightening app. Facetune is a great one.